Well, my name is Milton McGanney. I'm Director of Facilities. I've been with U.S. Physical Therapy 11 years. Prior to that, I was in the practice of commercial architecture. I am an architect. And in the practice of real estate development. I'm also a licensed real estate broker. Well, my team is primarily focused on creating the opportunity for a therapy clinic to succeed. We do the real estate leasing, the space planning, the construction management, buy and install all the equipment, furniture, utilities, etc. So what we do is we really provide the context for their practice. Well, it's interesting. When you're dealing with facilities, there are oftentimes some very strange occurrences. In a location north of here, we had somebody one of our patients actually drive into a clinic, accidentally put foot on the gas and not the brake, drove all the way in and then backed all the way back out, which pretty much wiped out everything in the clinic. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but it required quick action on first securing the clinic and then ordering and installing new equipment, dealing with the insurance companies, etc. So really, the clinic was offline about 2 days. That was it. And they're back in business, treating patients and making money. We had a partner that needed to renew. He was in a shopping center. We found another location for him that was really a very professional, well-located, easy to find site. And over a 5-year lease, we saved him $1,500 a month in rent. And actually, that's quite remarkable because sometimes rent, it doesn't total much more than $1,500 a month. So it's not free, but it's a really good deal. It saved him over $100,000. Part of the process of installing a clinic is we have a lot of equipment that we've closed other clinics and keep it in a warehouse. And we have an installation specialist that goes on the road and will either disinstall or install equipment in clinics, moving them from one clinic to the other. The real advantage to that is instead of paying retail brand new price, it goes on the books at whatever it currently is on our books for, which could be zero net book value. So a clinic might be able to get a table or it might be able to get a treadmill or something, literally for just the cost of shipping. And our relocation specialist handles a warehouse full of goods like that.